Said I'm nothing like a rapper, bitch, I'm something like a trapper. Talk that little bullshit, best believe I'm gon' get that shit. Tell my nigga get him, then he gon' get him. My nigga said get him while I got him. Not a problem, said I'm rotten. Get the shooting, you bouncing hydraulics. Swear to God I'm on it, little nigga, I be riding. Yeah, hey, you a goon, hey, I'm a goblin. Swear to God, you stop talking, you don't want no problems. If you do, I'll turn you to a vegetable, now squash it. All that beef shit, you ain't bout it. Don't talk it, I'm mobbing, with my mobbing. If it's a problem, we on it. I swear to God, no time for niggas, cause niggas they be frauding, acting like they real, knowing damn well they ain't bossing. I'm with my team getting green, Boston, Paul Pierce, and a nigga know I'm on the court. I'm all Pierce, we right here, no games. I got a buzz, no light gear. Let's go, baby. I had a bad day, it's been a light year, so now I'm getting faded, sipping on a light beer. I'm like, Jig, you bout it, nigga, let's get it. It's money on my mind and I'm with it. All the time on my grind, nigga, I'm committed to the hustle, to the struggle. I can teach you how to hustle. Teach you how to move that bike, nigga, with no muscle. I swear to God, I'm bout it, nigga. I ain't bout to tussle. I'm about to pull the thing out and let the thing rumble. Ready to rumble. Afro Thunder, little black brother, little hat low with his gat. Go, nigga, don't make me let that gat blow. I let that Mac pop, folding, laptop. I'm bout stocks, I'm bout rock. Let's get it.
Rapping for the hell of it. Fuck the bullshit, we ain't buying no selling it. Yeah, this young valley nigga about to get ignorant. Keep seeing these fake ass nigga and I'm sick of it. Hey, and you can be easy, or you can die hard and go say hi to God. You ain't in the game, you ain't even on the roster. Tech 22, make Italy pasta. Vito, lot of niggas hide in the house when the beef roll. I be outside, AK 100 round clip, swishing on my mouth and sipping on the Tampico. Yeah, get live, nigga. You a die, nigga. Red Joe, yeah, I'm in that beehive, nigga. Doing my style, niggas. I'm a wild nigga. When the beef come, don't die, nigga. Yeah, it's real, nigga. Keep the steel, nigga. All my niggas either work or they deal, niggas. Either sell crack or they kill niggas. I go and steal from niggas. We ain't tripping though. Go to jail and get out. Red Joe nigga, yeah. You can say my shit hot. Tip top, my Glock hot. That's some shooting the bitch, leave nigga laid out. What up, Brewster? You my fucking nigga. Whatever go down, bitch, I'm riding with you. If you're right or wrong, they gon' have to play the song. Tell niggas to leave me alone, bitch, I'm still riding home. But I ain't into 84s and Vogues though, I'm on some grown man shit. Do it for my yo's though, my little mans, nigga. Understand, nigga. Red Joe from stealing, robbing the grams, nigga. Probably murk the grams, nigga. I'm about to go ham, nigga. Cold turkey, cold blooded. Left his ass dead and it's cold blooded. Feel me? Yeah, bro.